I'm currently designing a crochet dress that doesn't have a pattern yet, and that's intentional. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome as well. So today, I'll walk you through how I design before the crochet even begins and during it as well. So yes, it is just as you heard. I'm designing a dress that doesn't have a pattern yet. Don't we all? But before I touch on the number of rows, the kind of stitches I want to use, I need the idea to make sense first. So I do freehand a lot. While I do freehand, I want my project to feel more intentional. You know, it has to go through a thought process, and although I'm going with the flow, the base idea needs to be there. Of course, we can improvise as I move, as I go. I can easily improvise, but if there is nothing set in stone, you end up making rubbish at the end of the day. A project that you do not like. When I start a design, I'm not thinking about speed. I think about structure, the weight, the movements, the wearability, and I try to put myself in the shoes of the person wearing it. Because all of this together is what form a single garment. This dress is built around circular motifs. Motifs generally are time consuming, not to mention circular ones. But design isn't about playing safe, it's about making clear decisions every time. So I ask myself, will this shape well? Can I sit comfortably in it? Does this feel like a clothing or a concept piece meant to be looked at from a gallery? If a design can't answer those questions early, I simply don't force it. I honestly don't believe every idea deserves to be finished. Some ideas exist to teach you what not to do. Like an Afghan square dress I made once. I hated it so much, I frogged it before I could even take a picture. I'm pretty sure it's probably there somewhere. So for me, slow fashion isn't about moving slowly. It's about thinking thoroughly. This dress isn't done yet, and that I'm letting the design lead instead of forcing an outcome. I'll share the process as I go, what works, what doesn't, and why. So, if you're interested in thoughtful crochet design, slow fashion, and the occasional project that just doesn't make the cut, you can subscribe. I'll probably be sharing more of this process as it goes. Or not. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time, and hopefully with a tutorial of this dress. Or yeah, don't worry. See you guys next time. Bye.